Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from 2-Minute Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account with Cramly AI. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in cramly.ai and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Cramly AI. Now in order to sign up and create a new account, just go ahead and click on the sign up button. You will then be taken into the registration page. Now you can either enter your email address, your phone number and type in your passwords, or you can click on sign up with Google for a shortcut. So let's go ahead and type in our email address, and as the phone number is optional, let's just skip this one. Now type in your password and then type it in once again to confirm it. Finally click on the submit button and this will proceed with signing you up to your account. You will now be shown an option to upgrade from your current subscription. You can select your desired plan and click on the subscribe button, or you can click on upgrade later to choose the settings later on. And there you have it. Now you have been logged into your account with Cramly. And that is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Cramly AI. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.